Wow, check this out. This is the Src M4, SR4. This is the Gen 3. Beautiful gun, adjustable stock like you would expect. The weight, so much heavier than the Gen 2. You can really feel the quality. Absolutely beautiful gun. The etching on it is something special. A lot of detail on this gun. The detail even on the mag. Really, really solid gun. LiPo ready, you can put LiPo batteries in these, ready to go. They're absolutely beautiful out of the box. Let's take it to the range. Let Scott take a look and tell you a bit more about them. Also, please don't forget, we can two-tone these Gen 3s, paint them up in any colour for you. Let's go to the range.
This is the Src Gen 3 M4. I'll just list the internals out now. So it's got a plastic O-ring nozzle on it. It's got a double O-ring metal cylinder head. It's got steel gears, steel anti-reverse latch, 8mm bearing bushings, a metal bearing spring guide, and a metal bearing piston head. And it's also got a very high torque motor. It's also got very cool Navy SEAL engravings, and it's also got Navy SEAL engraving mags. And it's also got a serial number on the side of the gun near the selector switch.
SR4 Gen 3. Let's try it out. First thing, let's take the mag out. There's just a button here that you press to release the mag. And then you see the ring at the bottom here. Just pull the ring down and lift the cover off. This is where the battery goes. Crane batteries are the best. Blocks will squeeze in here, but best to put cranes in, they fit really easy. So straight in there, you can see that. Cover, front end in first, drop the back in, pull the ring down, and it should this one's being a bit of a pig. Try again. Front end first. And then back in. There you go. Magazine. I made a bit of a meal of that, putting that battery in, but let's continue. Here's the mag. Open the window, the door there. Just pour them in. Close the window or door. At the bottom there's the wind. Same as most high cap mags. Just keep turning that until you see the ammo at the top, and then give it a few more winds. Get your gun. Insert it in. Keep turning. Now the gun has a hop up. The hop up is behind the door here. You just basically put your fingers here, put it back. Wind the mag up a few more times. The grip feels really nice, really, really nice. The Gen 3s really do feel different to the Gen 2s. Really superb quality. The mould on the grip is really nice. Looking forward to this. Single shot. Wow. Full auto. That's pretty incredible. So accurate, incredibly accurate. Charge the mag again. Put it back onto single shot.